I think if you look at the global picture today, and you look out 15 to 20 years, when I think about the area of growth globally, I still think the area of growth is going to be in Asia. I think places like Europe, the US, they will recover, but they are cyclical recoveries, whereas Asia is very much a structural story. We talk about the growth and generation of middle income earners. Over the next 20 years in Asia are going to add about 2.5 billion middle income earners, which is greater than the pool of entire middle income earners globally today. So that's what's really going to drive consumption and activity. You look at the balance sheet of households in the region, they're in pretty good shape, they can spend going forward. And you contrast that to what's happening in other parts of the world. And while we think you've got a short-term opportunity as markets recover, we think the long-term structural story behind consumer development and therefore economic development is going to be coming through Asia. Yeah, in general, I would say that we would primarily look to the domestic players with local market knowledge. When I think about Australia or some of the Asian markets that are trying to access, say China or India, you need to have a product that's differentiated. You have to be offering something that the Chinese aren't doing themselves, because over time, the domestic players, they might be middle to low in terms of their product positioning today, but over time they'll gradually shift up the product curve. So if you look at, obviously here in Australia, the dairy industry has been one of the biggest beneficiaries. That was the cause and effect of why we're here today with the dairy industry having such a great opportunity investing into China, was because of the melamine scandals of 2008, 2009 in China. That's created an opportunity to premiumise infant formula. But for most product segments, I continue to believe that the best avenue to take advantage of the long-term opportunity is to buy the local player.